Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to add your website URL on your profile on your Pinterest account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, click on your unsaved option to access the profile. So here I just going to add a website URL to my Pinterest account. So in the Google, I just going to search as Tech May Be Unique, my YouTube channel name. Then I just copy the URL from the. So just going to edit profile, just going to search here, just change this URL into my YouTube channel URL and click on the done option. So now I just going to change this. Now you can see it shows youtube.com, my channel name. Click on that. It directly goes to my YouTube channel. This is the way that you can just add your website URL on your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.